Hey guys, Macca here. We are gonna go and have a look at some alternative uses for the tool armour, so come this way. Use number one, it's a massive chair, fits all your mates. Use number two, portable iPhone charger, or any phone charger. You take it anywhere you need. Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot. Use number three, you can sleep in it. You just shut that. Use number four, massive advent calendar. And you gotta find gold to win apparently, and oh, look at that. Winner. Jesus, this thing's heavy. Yeah, not bad, that's real gold. All right guys, so stay tuned to KINCROME's YouTubes. Don't forget to subscribe. Also subscribe to TJ and Mac if you want to see us putting KINCROME tools through their paces. And enjoy the side-by-side action you guys are going to see and all the giveaways coming up. Where's the beers?